Hey everyone, in these days, AI tools like Lovable and Bolt can create a website in a minute, but most of those websites are static. They don't manage the real data, custom field, and lot more things. So that's where WordPress and JetEngine comes in. Using JetEngine, you can convert any AI-generated website to the dynamic website with the dynamic data, filter, and lot of things. So let me show you a step by step how we can use it. So here we go. So this is the WordPress website I have right now. Okay, so I just install the fresh WordPress here. Now I'm gonna just download here one plugin, and that is JetEngine. Okay, JetEngine plugin. Open this website crocoblock.com, and you can see the JetEngine. So you can download this plugin. They have a pricing according to your requirement, so you can use it. So I already have that plugin. So go to the WordPress dashboard, click on the plugin, and click on Add Plugin here, and then click on Upload Plugin and choose file and click on install now. Now click on activate plugin. So we have activated our plugin. Now let's go to the JetEngine here. Now in the JetEngine, we can create here the custom content type, custom post type. In the default WordPress, you can't create it. They have some default as like post and media page like that. But if you want to create your own custom type, then JetEngine helps us. So in the left side, you can see the JetEngine. You will see the post type. Click on this. Now suppose you're creating a website related to the movie, okay? Or maybe that can be a property website where you need some requirement. Like you want your post should be like your website domain name / properties. And then you need to put the property name and their details. So for that, we need to create a custom post type. So click on the add new. And you can see the post type name properties. Okay. And I'm going to just make this as it is. Just scroll down and you will see here the advanced setting. And the advanced setting, when you scroll down, you will see here the support. Whenever you create a custom types, you have some options. It's like we can put the title, editor, and I need here the featured image because it's a property, right? So he can see the image also. That thumbnail featured image, just select this. So I have 3 options here. Now I'm going to add some meta field also here. So in the left side, you'll see the meta field. So property have the multiple thing is like area, price, a lot of things. So we can add these field in the new meta field. New meta field, and it's like you can just add the price. Okay. And then this price is like going to be a numeric field like this. And then again, you can just create a new field like label. I'm going to just add here the area like this, or just I'm going to just make it in a text and just simply click on add post type. So we just created here new post type. So whenever you click on new, you will find the properties here like this. And here, when you go to the properties, you can create a properties here. Like see, you can add a property name, home one like this. You can add the description here. And here you can see in the right side, we have the featured image also. So you can set a featured image of your property. This is your custom post type, okay, that you just created here. Now let's go to the dashboard again. So we created here the custom post type. We created a meta field. So we can have some more options as like relations, option manager, query builder. Relation is something like suppose you want to create a movie directory where you have a multiple movies. Okay, it means we can assign the multiple movies to multiple actor or multiple actor to multiple movies. It means like this is going to be a many to many relation. So we can create this relation to create a directory type of website. Okay, all these things we can create with the help of JetEngine. So all these things we are doing just manually. Okay, but JetEngine have the amazing one thing, that is the command line. Okay, so in the left side you see the Crocoblock, and under the Crocoblocks you will see the command center. Click on this. So when you use the command center, you need to put your OpenAI key. So open your OpenAI account, click on create a new secret key, and that key is for JetEngine. And I'm going to just select a project, default project, and create secret key. Once you have that key, just go to the here and paste that key and just set API key here. Now the command center is activated here. Now whatever we have done, like we created a properties manually, we created a meta field manually. Here we have command center, and that will create some post type, custom content type, meta field, everything he will create. We already created a custom post type, but here we are going to create a custom content type. Whenever we create a custom content type, that will create a separate table in our database. So whenever you have the multiple entries, then you should always use the custom content type. Okay, so before creating a custom content type, we need to go to the JetEngine plugin, and from here we need to make sure enable that custom content type. see in the modules, you will see the custom content type. We need to enable this. And here, then go to the command center. I'm going to use a simple command here, okay? And that is like create custom content called movies with the following details like name, photo, rating, and actor. So here we create the custom content type with the meta field also. So you don't need to do it manually. Now you can see that done, the movies custom type is created, field is also added. That's really nice. Let me see how it's look now here. So let me just go to the dashboard, okay, again. And you can see in the left side, you will find here the movies. See this one, amazing, right? Now here you can create a movies, okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on the add new here. And let's add one movie, avatar. I'm gonna just add here one avatar movie. The photo I need to add here, okay. So I'm gonna add here one picture, whose media, like this. And now I'm gonna just add rating is 9, okay. And the actor is support. Now let's click on the add. Simple as that. Now we created a one simple here, okay. And let's go to the movies and we have a list of this. Now let's go to the JetEngine custom content type in the left side. Okay, and you can see that that movie is created, right? Let's click on this movie now. And you can see this is automatically created with the command line center. Okay, we haven't done anything. Now here, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just use here the REST API endpoint. Just enable this. And now you can see we have an item list, this API we have, and we have an item, actual item with the particular movie only. So using these endpoints, we are going to fetch our all movies list. Okay, so how we can do this and make sure update that content type. Okay, see we have a database, right? So we can create a multiple movies like same you have to do. Okay, repeat. In the Lovable AI, we are going to create a website structure where that website will fetch all the data from our WordPress website. Okay, so I need to write a prompt. So how can I write it? So it's very simple. You can use any AI tool to generate a prompt for you. So to generate a prompt, I'm going to use here the ChatGPT. Okay, create a prompt to create a movie listing website. Will fetch, and I'm going to use these endpoints, and I'm like this, copy paste here, and make sure click on the parameter overview and copy paste all these parameter also. Now the ChatGPT will give you the prompt that can generate a website in Lovable. So I have this prompt, okay, API to fetch all movies, single page, and everything I have. So I'm going to give this prompt to the Lovable, okay. Now we need to wait some seconds what he will generate for us, okay. Till now, we can create more database in our movie. So for that, we just need to go here and let's add some more movies here. Let's click on movies and I'm going to add one more movie here. Home something, back to the item list. So we have 2 items here. Let's see the Lovable design. Now amazing, you can see the preview here. See, we added here 2 movies and we have 2 movies structure here like this. That's really nice. Let me just see how this will work. Okay, let me just try this. I'm going to just open it up here, full window, and you can see this is amazing. It means you can easily convert any Lovable design to the real database structure website. So this is how we can connect our Lovable static website design that we just created in just few minutes to the real database with the help of WordPress and JetEngine. So this is really awesome and game changer for everyone who really want to create a business directory, movie directory, and real database website with the help of just AI and JetEngine. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.